What's up? What's up? Y'all check my flowers out. Happy Mother's Day to me from all my children. My husband gave me that. Tiana gave me that. Taisha and Tiaja gave me these. Antoine gave me those. Tony gave me those. And I got these for my son Tony. And these for my son Tony. And I got this card from my daughter Taisha. And I got this candle from my sister. And oh, let me show y'all this. I got all that from my sister. I got this cup from my niece, Aaliyah. I love her. And then I got that back there from my sister. I got these cookies from my son, Tony. And these beautiful flowers. I got to go buy another vase. But y'all, make sure you get your parents something. If you can't do nothing, you can go to the dollar store and get a card for 99 cents and a vase. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. And thank you, my children and my daughters, for my Mother's Day gift. And my sisters and nieces. Thank you.